Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial with your instructional technology specialist, Leslie Johnson. So today we are going to look at the Google Chrome extension called Mote. You can find this in the Chrome Web Store. Just search for Mote voice notes and feedback. So you'll see that little squiggly M, and then you can add to Chrome. Make sure that you click the puzzle piece so that you pin the extension so you're ready to use it. Now, how do we use Mote? When you are in Google Classroom, anytime you can leave a comment, you can leave a Mote. So if I'm going to create an assignment, and in this case, this is just going to be a test assignment, I can leave some instructions and then just click assign once I have all of my information filled out. So all students will get a notification about this test assignment. Now, when I click view assignment and go to the instructions, you'll see that I can leave a class comment through Mote. So when I hover the mouse over it, it says click to record or hold for Motebook. We're going to start with just the recording part because that's pretty easy. You do a quick little click and then you start talking. Hello class, this is just a test assignment. So once you are satisfied, you just click done. If you screwed up and you need to do it again, click cancel. That works too. And for students who don't have Mote installed, it will say click to hear my voice, note, and give them the website. But you can send it as is. There's also the pencil. So right now I have kind of, hello class, this is just a test assignment. I have a premium account, so I have a few more bells and whistles with this particular Mote. So remember how I talked about the Motebook? I can actually click this save as, and then I can give it a name like test. As soon as I'm satisfied, I click save, and then I can click exit, send that off, and there we go. So for the Motebook, we have to hold, and then it loads my Motebook. So I have a few different Motes that I have saved. So let's do great job. I click on it, and then it puts that particular Mote into the comment as well. So I can send that off. And when you have the extension loaded, it looks like this. I know to click play. Great job. And it works. So that is the teacher end. We can, of course, use this in the stream, but again, we need to use the comments feature. You can do that with assignments as well. So if we go to this final course completion and I click view assignment, I see that this student has turned it in. Let's move my video so you can see there is the Mote icon down here. So again, just click. Nice job. Done. Now let's take a look at that translate feature. Nice job. I can translate it to Spanish, but so far all I've noticed is it says Leslie Johnson te dejó una nota de voz. It doesn't necessarily translate what you have said, but if you are a Spanish teacher or, well, I can't show any of the other languages again now, but if you are a teacher of another language, you are able to perhaps just keep all of your Motes in Espanol and teach your students to use that. So I can click save and exit. Always important to click the exit. Then I can post that so that my student will see it. Oh, and I should have returned this particular assignment. Maybe it's not letting me. Okay, so that is the teacher end. Let's look at the student end. So here I have a student with this extension installed. So when this particular student goes to that test assignment, they can see those class comments, and because they have Mote installed, this is what it looks like for them, at least for the premium version. So they can click that play. Great job. And they'll hear it. So they can then react by saying, I may need help to understand this feedback, or they can leave the diamond. I understand, and I'll revise as suggested. Now we'll get into what that does in a moment. For students who don't have that particular extension installed, let's see what it looks like for them. So I'm going to click on View Assignment, and you see that it says click to hear my voice Mote. So when we click, it takes you to the Mote website, and then, great job, it plays the voice recording. And again, they have those options to say, yep, I've got it, or I may need help. So it's an extra window that pops up, but it works even if the student does not have Mote installed. They're unable to leave a comment with Mote, but they can leave just a typed comment. So that works for them. This student could leave a Mote as well. So if we're looking at pricing, there is a free version of Mote. And we'll kind of look at these. If you have Essential or Unlimited, it has those prices, and then it tells you about the features. So with the free version, we can listen to and record unlimited Mote voice notes. Unlimited, yay! You can easily create emojis in the comments. You can create unlimited Mote voice notes. You can monitor the voice note engagement, and I'll show you that in a moment. But if we're using the free version, we get 30 seconds. Other versions have 90 seconds. So, and we don't get the voice to text transcribe, we don't get the translate, and we don't get to see the Mote feedback reactions. And let's take a look at what that looks like. Here's my email from Mote. So here's my voice note engagement. That's what those diamonds and thinking faces are for. So you'll get an email that tells you how your students are reacting to the feedback that you're leaving them. Now, a word of caution, our students aren't always the best at looking for feedback. So you might want to tell them, hey guys, I left you feedback in our final course completion assignment. Make sure you check it out. That could be a class comment that you leave as a Mote or just a written comment, however you'd like to use it. If we are using the free version, it looks like you're not going to be able to save and retrieve Motes unless you get this unlimited Mote to the max. That would let you do that little notebook feature here. There we go. So you can save those Motes, which would be handy if you have like 5 sections of the same class and you want to share that same voice recording with them. But I mean, if you only have 30 seconds, that's not a lot of your time. So you can click to all of your classes and just share it. And you might be able to even copy the link that we saw in this not so fancy version of Mote, since the student doesn't have the Mote extension installed. But that's basically it. That is Mote in a nutshell. I hope that helps you figure out how to use it with your students. And if you have any other questions or video suggestions, please let me know. Thanks for watching.